Imagine writing something, making a mistake, and being able to instantly rewind to exactly how it looked 5 minutes ago or 5 months ago. In coding, that is not just possible, it is standard practice. Git is a tool that runs right on your own computer, quietly tracking every change you make to your code. It's essentially an undo history for your entire project, not just your last keystroke, but every meaningful step along the way. Each of these saved moments is called a commit, a labeled checkpoint like added login button or fixed navbar bug. Over time, this builds a complete readable history of exactly how your project came together. Git also lets you create branches, parallel versions of your project, where you can safely try new ideas without touching the original. Once you're happy with the results, you merge that branch back into the main timeline. Git lives on your computer, but GitHub is where it goes to live in the cloud. Think of it like Google Docs, but built for a code. A shared, always backed up home for your project's entire history. Once your code is on GitHub, you can push new changes up or pull down changes from teammates. And when you want feedback before changes go live, you open what's called a pull request, a proposal for others to review before it's merged in. So in short, Git lives on your computer and tracks your history. GitHub lives in the cloud, storing and sharing that history so you can collaborate, back up your work, and never lose progress again. With your code safely tracked and backed up, there's one more major shift in the modern developer's toolkit we need to cover: artificial intelligence. Let's look at how AI tools are changing the way developers actually work.